G'day everyone, Goober here with another quick video for the season launch of season SS6. I have played around a little bit with loot filters. As you can see, this one looks like a pretty garbage item. However, the thing to note with crafting early on in SS6 is it's really all about the base that you get. So I have modified my loot filter a little bit. I'll quickly show you what I've done. It's based off the intermediate filter. However, that's mainly just for all the currencies and legendaries and stuff that I don't know their worth, basically. So all I've done is added in an item filter for gear. I've changed the drop style to that. All I've done is selected the types, so go into the settings and I've gone through. Rods have minion damage. I still have the boom moto going, so I would like to get some bases and craft up some gear for him. Going down, I don't want all these garbage levels. However, if you are around this level, by all means highlight those as you go through. Going down, that's all minion damage. On the scepter, that's where you get the dot damage, and I have missed one, so item level 82 and above. 86 doesn't really do much for me at the moment, so I'm glad I'm making this, so I picked that up, and that just goes through all of the other random ones. In the armor, I am only after energy shield. I think it's going to be energy shield on the boom moto as well, because life just seems kind of garbage now that we can't just easily scale it. So I've just highlighted the item level 82 and 76 energy shield gloves, so I get the most base energy shield, and then affixes as well. Going down, int boots, int chest, int helmet. Obviously, if you are life based or armor based, get the evasion ones instead. But I am going with energy shield. I've just chucked in the int shield just in case. I have a feeling that you can craft some pretty insane affliction stuff on shield, and shield also gives an enormous amount of block resistances and that sort of stuff. So if one drops, I'll craft on it. I might just do that one as well, because why not? On the trinkets, I've gone with intelligence, the top two rolls. I haven't got strength or dex. Intelligence, I've just gone with erosion res, item level 82. I'll do the 76 as well. Why not? I'll do the same here. This is just the top tier, 12 cold res, 11 cold res, all the way down, fire res, etc. Spirit rings, this is for my boom moto. If these drop, I'll keep them and craft on them. And belt, energy shield, energy shield. You can obviously get the life ones as well if you are building life. So just hit confirm, confirm. I can't take this off and reshare it. However, that is how I've modified this build. And then the default ones are all here. Priceless gear is going to show up like that. And that's just from the default. You can get my build if you're on the Asia server. Otherwise, I'll put the link in the description below. If you're on a different server and you want to create this loot filter, just go to create from a shared code, and then paste that in there, and you're good to go. So there we go. I just got a Trickster Scepter as well. It looks garbage. There's no affixes, but you just quickly have a look. It's got 3 and 3, so this is a blank slate. I can craft whatever I want, and it will have all 6 affixes. To craft on, you just go to the prefix or the suffix. There's no confusion there. And then you're just using flame sand and precious embers. As you go to advanced, that's when you use more materials. So as you saw here, it was 5 and 1. Here it's 15 and 1 matchless ember. And then the ultimate affix will be on priceless gear. That's where you get the really good stuff. And it's going to cost probably ultimate embers and stuff. I guess we'll see eventually. But this is a day 1 thing. So intelligence would be really nice, but let's just see if we can create a reap energy shield, probably intelligence. So you just roll. I don't want max life. Go again. Energy shield. Great. That's one of the things that I wanted. Next item, I want reap. Excellent. That's what I wanted. This one, I want intelligence. There we go. I got intelligence. Onto suffixes. I want, I don't want any reap duration maybe, but mainly I'm just smashing through the game. So I want dot damage, affliction damage, and erosion damage. So if I can get all three of those on this item, it should be pretty good. Wrong affliction, physical affliction effect, fantastic. Next one, elemental damage, not ideal. Dot damage, it's only tier 5, but we can easily roll over that. It's the start of the league. I don't have a ton of currency, so you just take what you can. There we go. We've got 4, 4, 4, 3, 4, 5. Let's just roll over this one, see if we can get tier 3 or 4. Elemental damage, elemental, tier 4 dot damage. So that now is a pretty decent item. It's item level 81. It dropped white. It's got 51 energy. That is a 13% damage increase over what I was using. That is how easy it is to target craft gear at the start of your mapping experience, and it is insanely powerful. Insanely powerful. Given it's only day 1, but that in itself is a really, really nice item. I need to do this on my Boom Moto and get him up, but that's why I'm getting all these extra items. Here's level 80. I just need one more level, and then I can just take this item, craft on the Boom Moto stuff, which would just be energy shield, gear energy shield, minion damage, intelligence in the prefixes, suffixes, resistances, movement speed, obviously, and that sort of thing. And then I can't do ultimate because it's not gear level 80, 100, sorry. So let's just, we may as well quickly have a crack at this. Let's try and get some energy shield. Oh, we got minion damage immediately. Let's go with gear energy shield. We want energy shield there. I think autocraft, you could set that up, but I'm not going to do that right now. I'll look at that later. There we go, tier 4, 344, pretty cool. Now we just want some resistances. It does have crit strike damage there, which would be fantastic for a Wardens, but I haven't even seen a Wardens on the trade house yet. So we've got tier 3 cold, tier 3 lightning, and we'll re-roll over this and get tier 4 fire. That's not a bad pair of boots. That is actually a horrible pair of boots because I forgot the movement speed. So we definitely need movement speed. Let's go over the tier 4. I have a couple of tries at this. I've got tier 5 movement speed. Tier 5 movement speed. Okay, I've got one more try. Didn't get it. Just accept this one. So we've got a pretty reasonable pair of boots there. Level 81. Reasonable energy. You could go and craft off the energy and get a higher % energy if you want, but that is probably the best item that my Boom Moto will have. And I can do the same for the wands and stuff once I get more currency. I'm currently farming in T6 on the MC Yuga. The loot, ignore that. The loot filter's working quite well. I'm just running around in FE pack spirits at the moment, trying to get the currency to just farm up some gear. Pretty decent drops there, and you just crack on. I think I just ignored something, but that's fine. I just want to make a very quick video for crafting for dummies in Torchlight SS6. Thanks for watching. Cheers.